Good morning, my friends, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. Today is a special video. This morning I am cooking my mama an amazing pancake breakfast, banana pancakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make, light and fluffy, thebomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of banana flavors. And these banana pancakes are a great treat to serve at Mother's Day brunch and serving your mama breakfast in bed. If y'all a fan of banana, y'all gonna love these pancakes. It's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pancake recipes playlist and my previous video, Seagram's Escapes Mimosas. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So preheat your pan, grab your flour, and mash up those banana sugar, because we're about to cook some banana pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my bowl I have 2 ripe bananas, and we're just going to mash them up. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mashing up the bananas. This is what they look like. Perfect. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour with a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar and sift these together, or you can whisk them. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 extra large egg that I lightly beaten. And into our egg, we're going to add in our mashed bananas, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pure banana extract. And now it's time to add in the milk. We're going to add in 1 cup, but here's the milk that's going to give it an extra banana boot. Banana flavored almond milk. Oh yes, baby. Going to whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. But if you can't find banana almond milk, you can use evaporated milk or whole milk, whatever your heart desires. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. And I forgot to mention, my almond milk and egg is at room temperature. Alright, last of the flour. And continue whisking until it's well incorporated. And if the batter is lumpy, that's alright. You don't want to overmix it. It's all good. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing up my batter, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my batter. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah. Love the smell of bananas. My mama's gonna love and enjoy this. Alright, perfect. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to cook them. I'm going to cook mine in my cast iron skillet, or you can use a griddle. And I got my fire over medium heat. Going to spray it with cooking spray, or you can use butter or oil. So we're going to scoop the batter into the skillet. I'm using my ice cream scoop, or you can use a measuring cup. Alright. So we're going to let it cook until it's golden brown. Alright, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and then I'll plate them up and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes. I have 3 on my plate. So now there's one more thing we got to add to them. Some bananas. After all, these are banana pancakes. Then I'm going to put some on the side here. And last but not least, a drizzling of warm maple syrup. Don't that look good? Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Banana pancakes. Alrighty, I'm about to serve this to my mama. Good morning, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Good morning. Thank you.
You're welcome. I made you banana pancakes.
All right, let me give them a taste.
Doesn't it smell good?
Looks good too. Delicious.
Thank you. Is it full of banana flavor? They're tender?
Yeah, it's good. It's sweet.
All right, I'm glad you enjoyed them, Mama. I love you.
I love you too. Delicious.
My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful and blessed Happy Mother's Day.